I'm Jay Andersen. I work at Unique Specialty and Classics here in Mankato, Minnesota, obviously. And I'm in the sales department, salesman. Consider myself having kind of a jack of all trades hat at sometimes. I had a customer come through yesterday that kind of reminded me of what we hear all the time here. I thought I'd talk about a little bit is, where do our cars come from? He came in, and this gentleman comes through about every 2 to 3 weeks, I suppose, and he came in yesterday and said to me what we hear all the time. He says, where do you come up with all these cars? I come in every few weeks, and he goes, every time it looks like you've had truckloads or boatloads or whatever they're coming in on changing. And it's kind of strange, but really the answer to that question is the cars kind of find us. And whether it be collections that people are looking at moving, that call in, that heard about us, YouTube video got us a car out of South Carolina once. A gentleman saw we sell bullets, and rather than go around to his local Ford dealers, he wanted to sell it to somebody that knew what it was, and he calls us up, and the next thing you know, we purchased a car, had it shipped here, and it's going off to a new home. Of course, we do buy some, obviously, that we're looking for, but even then, it's kind of strange. We'll maybe see a keyword in an ad or at an auction, and all of a sudden the boss will click on it, and here it's this special car that we have never had in before. We know what it is, and we snag it and find it a new home. So kind of something I want to talk about is, the cars find us, believe it or not. And people wonder how we always have so many different cars and how consistent they come through. And a lot of it's, we sell, on average of 30 a month, and the cars find us. The boss is always hunting for them. It's amazing how he stumbles across them. Even combines sometimes. You never know what you might come across here. Little bit of everything. So keep an eye on your inventory. You'll never know what you come up with. And if you got a consignment, maybe you're thinking about selling, or somebody's got a collection they want to sell, definitely the place to call or check with us. Car that just came in that the boss found is, as an example, 2006 Mustang Celine convertible. Beautiful car, S281 of course, supercharged model of it. You could have a non-supercharged, supercharged and extreme. This would be the supercharged model. Very, very clean car. You can check out the underside pics. It's black on black on black, triple black. I believe about 26,000 miles, so not a ton of miles. Beautiful car. You're looking for a convertible and you like Celines. Some street rods too right now. Chevys, Fords, 36, 37s, 38s. Check those out. If you want to get into the street rods, and there's some nice ones, air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, a little bit of everything on them for options, power windows, but some very, very nice street rods we got right now. Well equipped, good looking cars. Another one that's in that we kind of got a nice selection of is Chevy trucks, regular cabs, whether it be short boxes, long boxes, 1970, beautiful trucks, nice drivers, driver quality ones. Get in them, turn the key and go. Small block Chevy powered automatic transmissions. Great selection right now of GM trucks, and beautiful looking trucks, really are. Again, this is Jay Andersen, Unique Specialty and Classics, Mankato, Minnesota. If you need to get a hold of me, got any questions or want to say hi, number is 507-386-1726. You can always email me at unscjay@gmail.com. Yeah, make sure you check out our website, uniquemankato.com, and to check out the different cars we have. You got any nice Mustangs out there, make sure you give me a call. Always interested in those. Check, over, check. Oh, that's gonna go.
Cut, marker, spot.
Hopefully you can do something with that. I don't know how big and fat my head looks.